A fierce dispute over cutting and moving soil escalated tragically in the Nidayatin Depa area under the Jatrapur police station, resulting in the death of a younger brother allegedly at the hands of his elder brother. The deceased has been identified as Rasu Sil, and the accused elder brother is Gautam Sil. The confrontation reportedly began over the use and movement of soil from their shared property. Rasu Sil had cut soil from his plot and piled it up near one boundary of his house. Gautam Sil, his brother the accused, and his elder brother also attempted to cut soil from his area and place it on Rasu Sil's property. This action sparked a heated argument between the two brothers, which quickly devolved into a physical altercation. Rasu Sil was allegedly attacked by Gautam Sil during the fight, leading to the fatal injuries. The police are investigating two starkly different versions of how Rasu Sil sustained the fatal injury. Regardless of the exact cause of injury, Rasu Sil was critically wounded following the dispute. Police promptly arrived at the scene and rescued Rasu Sil. He was first taken to the local hospital due to the seriousness of his condition. He was later referred to Melaghar Hospital, where he tragically died while undergoing treatment.
কাটালিয়া কি সুস্থ আসলো বাচ্চা আসলো
হ্যাঁ
তারপরে যে মেলাঘর রেফার করছে
হ্যাঁ মেলাঘর
কটার সময় আনছেন মেলাঘর
প্রায় 10টা হইল
রাত্র 10টা
মারা গেছে মনে হয় 11টার দিকে আমার গড়ি না টাইম নেই
The Jatrapur police have registered a case and are thoroughly investigating the circumstances surrounding the death to determine whether it was a direct assault or an accident that occurred during the fight. Reported by Jivan from Vishalgarh, Chini Khorang.